Alright guys, so today this is just what we were what you're looking at, the graphics of what they look like. Let's go ahead and get to the sound pack real quick. Okay, so this is what the sound pack is going to sound like. That's what the sound pack's going to sound like, okay? This is what the graphics are going to look like. Probably going to make another video of what it's going to look like at night. But that's what the sound pack looks like. Let's go ahead, go to the assault rifles, carbine rifle. So, pretty realistic. One thing it does change your shot sirens. So, yeah, it does change your sirens. Okay, this is a taser. Pretty realistic. Your pistol. So yeah, that's what it's gonna look like or sound like. This is technically what you're looking at. This is what the graphics are gonna look like. Pretty vibrant and bright. You know, since it's better than the old ones or wacky OG ones that really no graphics, no authority, and it also reduces. So if your game crashes a lot, it also reduces that. That's one thing it is going to be. It's kind of laggy right now because I'm recording, but yeah. So go ahead, join the Discord server. It's going to be in there. Yeah. Also check out Centurion Irons RP. It's a very good server, very good RP server. Awesome sauce. Bye guys.